Okay, this example. So River needs 1.5 cups of sugar to bake his favorite cookies. He finds 7/8 of a cup of sugar in the sugar bowl and 11/12 of a cup of sugar in a canister in the pantry. Does River have enough sugar to bake his favorite cookies? Well, let's see. So let's look at our answer choices. No, 7/8 and 11/12 are both close to 1/2. So they're comparing them to 1/2. Choice B is no, the sum of 7/8 and 11/12 is 18/20, which is close to 1. C, yes, the sum of 7/8 and 11/12 is close to 1. And then yes, 7/8 is close to 1 and 11/12 is close to 1. So River has more than 1.5 cups. Okay, so there's a lot to think about here. The first thing I want to look at is choice B. I'm guessing that you haven't learned how to add fractions yet. In this one, they're just adding 7 plus 11 and getting the 18, and they're adding 8 plus 12 and they're getting 20. That is not how you add fractions. So in order to add fractions, you have to have the same bottom number, the same denominator. So any of them that's trying to add fractions, and if you haven't even learned that yet, that's probably not going to be the right answer. So that one's not even done correctly. So this would be not the answer. So we can cross off choice B. So now we have choice A. It's saying that both fractions are close to 1/2, and choice C is saying the sum is close to 1, and choice D is saying each fraction is close to 1. So let's look at each fraction and see which one it's closer to. Is it closer to 1/2 or is it closer to 1? If you look at 7/8, notice that 7 is very close to the number 8. As the numbers get closer together, it's closer to 1. So 1/8, you would have way less than if you had 7/8, right? 8/8 means you have one whole thing because you have the same numerator as you do denominator. So the top number and the bottom number are the same. So that would be 1. So since 7 is so close to 8, this is close to 1. Because if you had 8/8, if you had one more piece, you'd have the whole thing, the whole cup. 11/12 is similar, right? 11 is the number right under 12. So this is also very close to 1. So part A is saying that 7/8 and 11/12 are both close to 1/2. No, they're not close to 1/2, they're close to 1. So that's not the right answer. D is the right answer. 7/8 is close to 1. 11/12 is close to 1. So if they're both close to 1, that means total you would have close to 2 cups because 1 plus 1 is 2. So that means River would have more than 1.5 cups. So choice D is the correct answer. Part C, probably they have that there. But again, if you have not started adding fractions, then that's definitely not going to be the right answer.